every snowflake is a unique masterpiece, where the spiral of a nautilus shell echoes the galaxy's vastness, and where the arrangement of leaves in a tree follows a mathematical sequence. This is the world of nature, a realm teeming with intricate patterns that reveals a hidden symphony of order and beauty.
Uy, camera, camera! Do you want to know more about the nature of patterns?
Patterns are recurring or predictable elements or features that can be observed in various contexts.
They are also used to describe similarities, regularities, or relationship between objects, events, and ideas. Additionally, it can be used to predict future outcomes.
This is an example of a pattern. You don't need good eye to see the pattern.
Not unless, of course, you're... Cut!
So yeah, this is just one of the many natures of patterns. Some more examples are this is an example of a symmetry.
Symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like other shape when you move it some way. You neither turn it, flip, or slide.
For two objects to be symmetrical, they must be of the same size and shape, with an object having a different orientation from the first.
Lateral symmetry, fractal symmetry, radial symmetry, wallpaper symmetry, and much more.
This is a tiling or tessellation, a pattern of shapes that fit perfectly together.
No gaps, no overlaps. And this is C. It is considered as pattern as it repeat variation or intensity of the waves.
Just like the sea.
Akala ko ba
There are also sound waves, light waves, electromagnetic waves, and water waves. Oy, kayo muna.
So, continuing, this patterns chart is also considered as patterns in nature. Bakit kaya?
Hindi ko rin alam.
So, this can help in surviving the wilds, like camouflaging or blending. It can also act as a communicator.
Pabot ng sasawan.
Spiral. A spiral is of course. Spiral. A spiral is a curve which starts from a point, moving farther away as it revolves around the point.
The golden ratio is one of the examples in math.
Tapos na ba?
Remember that this is only one of the few patterns in nature. If you want more,
I-search mo!
Wait, plus 2 kayo! Go.
May nakabili ba?
Uy, ano ka karagit?
Pre, pabot ng sausawan. Pabot ng sausawan. Gusto ng sausawan? Pre, pabot ka ng sausawan.
Spiral. A spiral is of course.
3.
There are also sound waves, light waves, electromagnetic waves, and water waves.
Neow, neow, neow.
Ala, sige sila.